Hello and welcome back to the channel. Unless you are new, then welcome. And today I'm coming again before you with an English speaking practice videos of mine. As usual, I used to do the same things almost every day, but I'm not filming because lacking of opportunity. The time I used to speak do my English speaking practice is do not favorite me sometimes, so that's why I'm not used to filming my every English speaking practice episode. But sometimes when I usually get time, especially in the late afternoon, then I kind of filming the video for my YouTube channel. As I run a YouTube channel, so I have to make video for my channel to upload. I wanted to show you one thing, guys. That is the scarecrow. I don't know if you can see the scarecrow installed in the middle of any field. Actually, this kind of things we used to see in the middle of the petty fields because this thing installed with a purpose. The purpose is to keep away the harmful animal from the petty field. Thanks for watching this video. Bye. Have a nice day.